It's up to you. Brought to you by iHeartRadio and the Ad Council.
Z99.1 CALS FM is testing the emergency alert system equipment for a required weekly test. Please stand by for this message.
This is a test of the warning alarm system from the National Weather Service in Grand Forks. During potentially dangerous weather situations, specially built receivers are automatically activated by the signal to warn of the impending hazards. Tests of these receivers and the alarm system are normally conducted by the National Weather Service office in Grand Forks every Wednesday between the hours of 10 a.m. and noon. If weather threatens the area near the normal alarm test time, the test will be postponed to the next available good weather day. Your reception of this broadcast and the warning alarm will vary at any given location. This variability, normally more noticeable at greater distances from the transmitter, will occur even though you are using a good quality receiver in good working order. To provide the most consistent and dependable warning service possible, the warning alarm will be activated for only selected watches and warnings affecting counties across portions of eastern North Dakota and northwest and west central Minnesota. Once again, this has been a test of the warning alarm system. We will now return to regular programming.
Z99 rocks Park Rapids.
Bum 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 bum. Bum 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 bum. I feel free. Bum 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 bum. I feel